Hey everybody, as you can see I have a really interesting USB web camera, and today I'm going to show you is this web camera good enough, for example, as microscope for electronics repairs, and of course what can you do with this USB camera which I have bought on Aliexpress for only $40. And of course I'm going to show you in the next few minutes what you can do with this USB camera from AliExpress. So let's start. First of all, I'd like to say a few words about camera itself. This model can have resolution up to 2K, basically this resolution, and at the same time any model, depending on resolution, it does not have autofocus. So basically every time when you adjust the camera you need to manually focus with this. So basically, depending on situation and distance from the object which you want to take a look, you need to manually the focus. But in my opinion it's not a problem because it's quite easy to focus the object. About drivers, when you connect with USB camera with USB cable to the computer, it is automatically detected as, you will see now, just as USB webcam. But what is most interesting, that this is called web camera, but at the same time it does not have microphone. It's really weird, but I don't know why are they calling this web camera. And what is the most interesting part, I saw some electronics guy on YouTube that they have bought this camera to use as microscope, so that can they look at electronics PC boards for repair or something else. And in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how good is the video quality of this camera. So basically, as you can see, the video quality is very good because you can see all details of this PC board, and you can check is there any problems with this PC board. And of course, if you need to repair it, you can easily repair it. And in my experience, this camera will be good enough for inspection of any PC board. Of course, there are much better cameras, but this is only 40 euros or dollars, so basically it's not too expensive. And as I said earlier, if you move the distance of the object, you can see that the video quality is now blurred, but that's quite normal because it does not have autofocus. But when you put it on some place, you can normally see any details. Of course, I'm not professional repairman, but this will be good enough to inspect many PC boards or electronics. So you can see here there's some residue on the contacts over here. Basically, this camera is useful for electronic inspection, but because of huge lens, this camera have other possibilities, and I'm going to show you what are possibilities in the next few minutes. Just before that, take a look my finger. Crazy, huh? So basically this is the USB web camera. Actually it has this, so can you fix it on the some stand, which is really cool. Also, I don't know is this possible, but you can remove this with screw these lenses and put maybe a better lens, and maybe you can get better results for video imaging. But as this camera is actually very good, it has really good lens. It doesn't say who produced this camera. Of course it is made in China, but it doesn't say which company. Only says HD digital camera, and on Aliexpress they advertise as USB 2K or 4K depending on model USB web camera. Overall it's really good and solid camera which can be used for microscope, but for other things also. Basically, in my opinion, it's worth this money. And that's it, people. If you have any questions, please comment, and I would be very grateful if you can like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.